Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Urdu Lounge with Shahid Wafa. This is the final lesson in our Urdu alphabet series, and today we are wrapping up with the last set of letters. In this video, we'll be exploring the final letters of the Urdu alphabet from Meem to Badiye. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently recognize, pronounce, and write all these letters. So let's dive in and finish strong. Stay tuned for more lessons on Urdu language and culture, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Urdu Lounge with Shahid Wafa. Meem. Meem brings the M sound. Think moon, map, or milk. It rhymes with dream. To write Meem, start by drawing a small circle, then add a short curved line going out like a little tail. Noon. Noon sounds like N, as in net, night, or nose. Noon rhymes with soon. To write noon, start with a short, smooth curve that looks like a cup. Then place one dot just above this curve. This is noon gunna, a nasal sound like the in song or sing. It's often heard at the end of the words. How to write it? It's the same shape as noon but without the dot. Think of it as a whispered noon. Wow. Wow can sound like W in water or like the long O in go. It rhymes with wow. How to write it? Draw a short curved stroke like a tiny hook or a comma leaning left. Hey. Hey gives us the H sound like in hat, hello, or home. It ends with A like day. How to write it? Draw a soft rounded shape like a small closed loop or an oval. Do Chashmi Hay. This letter does not have a sound by itself like other letters. Instead, it changes the sound of the letter before it by adding a soft breathy sound. The examples of Do Chashmi Hai are in the words like khana, dhua, ghoda. How to write it? Draw two small curved lines side by side, like two gentle waves or soft arches next to each other. Hamzah. Hamzah is a glottal stop, a small pause like a break in aha. It helps make sounds clear and separate. How to write it? It's just a small stylized stick, a punctuation like symbol that usually sits above or between letters. Choti ye. It sounds like Y in yes or E as in C, depending on the word. To write choti ye, draw a hook-like structure that further curves softly to the left at the bottom. This is the final letter of Urdu alphabet known as Badi Ye. It sounds like A, like in day or say. Choti Ye may appear anywhere in a word, while Badi Ye comes only at the end of a word. Badi Ye has a curved tail, opens to the right. That's it for today. In this lesson, we have learned about the Urdu letters from Meem to Ye. And that's a wrap on our Urdu alphabet series. You have now completed all the letters from Alef to Ye. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any language, so keep revisiting these letters and practice writing and pronouncing them. Stay tuned for more lessons on Urdu language and culture, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Urdu Lounge with Shahid Wafa.